17. Some transformations this week, which we are absolutely buzzing about. And on Monday, we had the windows. So let me just show you over here. Oh my God, look at them. They're actually insane. Like, these are amazing. So yeah, this one doesn't open. These two do open. I'll just show you like this. But I think this might have been a bit of a miscommunication because I wanted them to open that way, like French doors. But they are opening like that at the moment, but still I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're going to swap them round for us. They also tilt as well if you want them on the tilt. So we'll just close them. But yeah, so that's the same on that side, and then we're just waiting for a Juliet balcony. So once that comes, we'll be able to just open the door in the summer or even the winter and just have a cup of tea, and the sun sets over there. So we'll just be able to watch the sunset from these windows, which is so nice. So light in here, and this is going to be our bedroom. Okay, so on the Monday we also had a delivery of those Claybrook tiles that I showed you in last week's episode. So yeah, literally just getting these out. They are so nice. They're like speckled and they're like mosaic. But yeah, stay tuned because they are going on the wall. Okay, so last night we had Wren Kitchens at the property measuring our kitchen for its final measurement, because it's been all plasterboarded and things like that now, so it is in its final state minus the plaster, so that is all they need to come and do their final measurement. So we're on our way to Wren now. We've taken the day off work, which is quite nice, to go to Wren, and yeah, we're going to complete the order basically. We're going to go through everything again, start to finish, add and subtract things that we want and that we don't want, and complete the order. So I'll know how much we will be paying for the kitchen today, but we're also taking our samples of the Gemini worktop that we got, and we're getting our handles from B&Q, so taking these in with us, and yeah, wish us luck. Okay, so Wren now offer a 3D tour video so you can kind of see what we've designed. So in terms of how it's looking, I absolutely love how it looks. We've changed the cabinets to a timber cabinet and doors, so we're really excited about that change. In terms of the final appointment, we did feel like we were a little bit rushed, and we've made a few mistakes, I think, in terms of not going through it thoroughly enough and seeing the cost of each thing. But there's nothing we can do about it now. But in terms of how it's looking, I'm really excited for it to come. It's literally coming, so it'll be in like 2 weeks away episode. But yeah, and then this is a photo of it, and that's more true to the colour. But yeah, we went and celebrated anyway. To the cheers. Okay, so this is how the upstairs is looking today. We had a few more of the walls plastered up here, so you can see all this is done. That above the windows hasn't been done yet. I think they need to come back and do that. So I'm hoping that'll be done so we can start spraying. But yeah, you need to do all of that area there. But yeah, this is all looking pretty done. And I've got some exciting updates in the bathroom. So My Claybrook tiles are on the wall. How good do they look? They just need white grout. We also had the shower screen put in and I'm just obsessed with it. And Hugo is loving the bath. Aren't you, Hughes? But yeah, the grout will happen tomorrow. Turn around, you can see that we've had the radiators installed. We actually had a bit of a leak from the radiators in the week, which was a bit mad downstairs, but they have now been popped in and they give off such nice heat. And we didn't want to go for designer ones up here because we'll probably just put a radiator cover up here or something like that. So that's what's been going on here. We also had some doors delivered, so the builder went and got those for us, so thanks to him for that. But let me show you the rest of the windows and the rest of the rooms. So we'll go into this room first, and you can see the lovely oak door. So see you. They're Alex's favourites. But we've also had windows in here. Unfortunately for planning, we had to have the obscured glass, which is ridiculous, I know, but this is the 4th bedroom. We also had the radiator done in here, and if you spot, we've had the skirting boards done in these rooms as well at the front of the house. So yeah, this is how the 4th bedroom's looking. So the builder thought we might be able to move in on bank holiday, but it's just not quite ready. There's no electrics up here or anything yet. But we've had a lot going on in this room. So this is the bathroom. So yeah, I can go in the shower. So there's some gaps in the grout and stuff, so I don't think we can actually shower in here yet. But we've had the shower, we've had the tiles, the bath, the radiator, the window, and my lush Claybrook Studio tiles here have obviously run out of grout. But they're honestly looking so good. And I think I'm going to paint the walls in like an off-white once I've got the paint. So that's how this room's looking. And then if we come in here, again we've got the lush doors. Bye! And obviously the stunning window. Bit mucky at the moment, but yeah, so even though these rooms kind of look done on camera, we're still waiting for plaster around all of the windows. We have the skirting boards done in here, and the architraves. Yeah, and we've had the window over there, and the radiators put in as well. So all the radiators are on up here now, so we can put laundry on them and stuff, which is great. We've had 2 of the doors, but we need to buy handles. We kind of just need like the reveals to be plastered and second fix electrics before we can even think about moving in here. But it's getting very cold at night now, so we do kind of want to get in as soon as we possibly can, sleeping wise, so we don't have to keep walking back and forth to the garden room in the dark, in the rain, in the freezing cold. So if you follow me downstairs, we've had all of this plastered this week. They haven't got to that because they didn't have the right steps to do it on oh, health and safety, watch yourself there. And then if you come down here, they've started to plaster down here. It's a bit mismatched what's been plastered and what hasn't, but we are going to paint tomorrow as much as we can so that we can just get going pretty much. We've ordered the stove. I say we've ordered, we just went to B&Q and picked it up, so I can show you that in a minute. We've had that, so we need the chimney breast built out so that we can get that plastered. Like, we've had the outside of the utility room plastered. Inside has not been plastered yet, but if you have a look in there, we've had our downstairs bathroom window delivered but not installed yet. And then yeah, that's it pretty much. We can't install the back windows until the scaffolding comes down, but we can't take the scaffolding down until the cladding's been put up. So once the cladding's up, they can go, and then hopefully we can get our windows installed, and it'll just make being down here a little bit more pleasant, I think. Trying to think if we've had anything else delivered. Oh, we did have our vanity unit delivered, but it needs to be put together, so I can show you that. But yeah, so that's the windows. We've got windows and the downstairs. it's starting to be plastered. Okay, so that's it for week 17. I hope you've enjoyed this week. We've had windows and it's just been insane, and downstairs is finally starting to come together. So yeah, next week it should be even more exciting. I hope more plaster, hopefully cladding, and yeah, maybe we might be able to start moving some stuff in. I'm not too sure, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.